Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Healthy Happy Habits, your go-to source for wellness. In this channel, we cater to everyone prioritizing health, from fitness buffs to diet planners. We cover diverse topics, from nutrition and recipes to exercise tips and wellness trends. Today, we venture into a thought-provoking topic on diet and nutrition. We'll challenge common perceptions and provide fresh perspectives on healthy eating. With a focus on complete well-being, we strive to offer content that's not just informative, but also inspiring. You'll be updated with the latest research, trends, and health tips to help you make informed lifestyle decisions. Support our channel by subscribing, ensuring you're the first to get our content. Hitting the subscribe button lets our wellness content reach you quickly. Activating the notification bell means you get alerted as soon as we release new content. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our health-packed content. Now, let's delve into the world of kidneys. These dynamic yet often underestimated organs work tirelessly to keep our system running smoothly. Yet how often do we pause and reflect on their well-being? Today, that is precisely what we'll do. As we tread through life, kidney health is often pushed to the back burner. Our kidneys, a pair of bean-shaped powerhouses, are crucial in filtering out waste, adjusting blood pressure, and even aiding in the generation of red blood cells. So are we doing our part in safeguarding them? Contemplate our everyday decisions, our dietary patterns, our lifestyle choices, and even our hydration. Are we nurturing these vital organs with the care they require? Often, we neglect posing this question to ourselves, especially when greeted by the mouth-watering aroma of our favorite foods. Be it the cheesy ambrosia of pizzas or the sweet ecstasy of pastries, these gastronomical pleasures might be secretly wreaking havoc on our kidneys. Foods loaded with sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats can stealthily undermine our kidney functions, paving the way for health problems. However, there's a silver lining. By the conclusion of this video, you'll be equipped with a treasure trove of information to make educated choices about your kidney health. We're here on this journey with you, suggesting minor yet impactful modifications, tweaks that bolster kidney health without snatching away the pleasure of savoring food. Let's start our list by shedding light on a morning essential: caffeine. Shocked? You might be. Indeed, your daily cup of coffee, your elixir to jumpstart the day, may not be as innocuous as you perceive. Moderate caffeine consumption is generally unlikely to pose a threat. Going overboard may put undue pressure on your kidneys. Let's delve deeper into the research. A number of studies have hinted at the possibility that chronic high caffeine consumption could cause long-term damage to your kidneys. The rationale behind this? Caffeine, being a stimulant, can elevate blood pressure, a key contributor to kidney problems. It appears that our cherished morning might be extracting more from our kidneys than we realize. But don't rush to banish your morning coffee just yet. Remember, these studies highlight the effects of excessive caffeine intake. This doesn't imply a need for total coffee abstinence. It's all about balance and recognizing your body's boundaries. Remember, everyone's tolerance levels are different. What might be excessive for one may not be so for another. We eagerly await your thoughts in the comments section, especially if you're a coffee aficionado. This revelation might stir up some discussion. We value your inputs and hope this video imparts the knowledge to make kidney-friendly selections, ensuring your kidneys can keep doing their amazing work to maintain your health and vibrancy. Next up, we discuss canned soup. With its convenience and readiness for a busy day, it's a favorite go-to meal for many. It's also an excellent food to store for extended periods without concern of spoilage or deterioration, providing a comforting and nostalgic touch reminiscent of childhood. Plus, it's often the preferred choice when feeling under the weather or simply too tired to prepare a meal from scratch. However, despite these appealing aspects, canned soup carries a critical downside: its high sodium content. Overconsumption of such foods can potentially pose a significant health risk, especially for one of our most essential organs, our kidneys. These often forgotten organs perform a crucial function by filtering out waste and excess fluid, regulating our blood pressure, and maintaining the balance of our body's electrolytes. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the sodium content in canned soup. A single serving of canned soup can contain anywhere from 700 to 1,000 milligrams of sodium, which is approximately half of the daily recommended intake. When consumed in excess, the sodium in canned soup becomes a harsh enemy for our kidneys. High sodium intake prompts our kidneys to work overtime to eliminate the surplus salt, potentially leading to a condition called hypernatremia. Hypernatremia, or the excessive presence of sodium in the blood, can cause water retention, resulting in an increase in blood pressure. This heightened pressure significantly stresses our kidneys, which could lead to kidney damage or even chronic kidney disease over time. So, while the convenience of canned soup might make it an appealing choice, it's crucial to be well informed about the potential health risks. This context should encourage us to explore other, healthier alternatives. So, I'm intrigued to understand, is canned soup still a pantry staple for you, even with this knowledge about its sodium content and the associated health risks? Brace yourselves. The culinary world of red meat is vast and diverse, tantalizing the taste buds of many across the globe. Truly, may it be a sizzling steak, an iconic burger, robust sausages, or tender lamb chops, red meat promises a deliciously satisfying experience. It's a dietary delight for many, a centerpiece of feasts, the epitome of comfort food, and the star of the Sunday roast. It is deeply embedded in our culture, traditions, and daily indulgence. However, a darker narrative lurks behind this love affair with red meat. Beneath the mouth-watering taste and enticing aromas lie potential health issues, hidden in the shadows. One such health concern is its potential impact on our kidneys. Yes, you heard it right. Red meat could potentially turn from being a dietary king to a kidney's kryptonite. The detrimental impact of red meat on our kidney health has been the subject of numerous scientific studies. These investigations have delved deep into the complexities of our bodies and the food we consume. A high consumption of red meat has been linked to an increased risk of kidney problems. High levels of protein, particularly red meat, can increase the metabolic load on our kidneys, causing them to work overtime. This can lead to a buildup of waste products in our bodies, potentially leading to kidney stones and even chronic kidney disease. Moreover, some studies suggest that red meat, especially when cooked at high temperatures, can lead to the formation of harmful compounds, which can cause kidney damage over time. Also, levels of sodium and nitrates found in processed meats can lead to high blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney disease. The implications of these findings are alarming, given the popularity of red meat and the sheer number of people it could potentially affect. It's a controversial topic, creating a divide between the meat-loving community and health-conscious individuals. This shocking revelation could potentially change the way we perceive our beloved red meat, from a dietary delight to a threat to our well-being. This is not a call for panic, but an invitation for contemplation. Let us be aware and make informed dietary decisions. Share your thoughts on this one in the comments below. Meat lovers I'm looking at. And now, we approach the elephant in the room, soda. This sweet, fizzy concoction is something many find irresistible. It's that tantalizing, fizzy sensation dancing on our tongues, the pop of the can that signals a sugar-filled treat, and the bubbles that tickle our nose as we take that first refreshing sip. It's the perfect companion to a movie night, a friend at a party, a comforter during those late-night work hours. The taste, the fizz, the excitement, it's all part of what makes soda so appealing. But there's a much darker side to this sweet temptation. The high sugar content in soda is not just about guilty pleasures and momentary joy, it's something far more sinister. To put things in perspective, a single can of soda contains approximately 39 grams of sugar, which is equivalent to about 10 teaspoons. That's almost the entire recommended daily sugar intake for an adult, all in one hit. The excessive sugar in these fizzy drinks has been scientifically and medically associated with numerous health risks, the most significant one being kidney disease. It's not just a theory anymore, it's a fact acknowledged by the medical community worldwide. When we consume such high amounts of sugar, our kidneys, our body's filtration system, struggle to process the overload. This constant bombardment of sugar can lead to a condition known as kidney hyperfiltration, which increases the pressure on our kidneys and can cause long-term damage. Over time, this can lead to chronic kidney disease, a dangerous and often irreversible condition that requires lifelong treatment. The increased pressure from the sugar overload can scar and damage the kidneys, reducing their ability to filter waste and toxins from our body effectively. While soda may promise momentary bliss, the long-term health implications are alarming, to say the least. It's a battle that's out there, a choice that we make every day. Are you team soda or team water? It's not just about taste and preference anymore, it's about health and well-being. Weigh your options. Think about the high sugar content and its long-term effects on your kidneys, and make your choice. Let us know. Okay, let's cut the pessimistic talk and delve into solutions. Today, we're going to explore a range of practical steps to take care of our kidneys without completely altering our daily habits. Firstly, contemplate swapping your reflexive additional cup of coffee for kidney-friendly herbal teas. These teas are a treasure trove of health benefits, packed with potent phytonutrients and antioxidants that keep your body healthy. Furthermore, they serve as excellent hydration agents, a crucial element for maintaining kidney health. They offer a multitude of health benefits, sans the jitteriness that comes with excessive caffeine. A myriad of herbal teas awaits your selection, such as chamomile, known for its calming properties, peppermint for aiding digestion, hibiscus, known for lowering blood pressure, ginger for its anti-inflammatory effects, and plenty others. Each offers unique flavors and health benefits, ensuring you can always vary your choices and never tire of them. Another modest switch is substituting canned soups with homemade versions. It might demand a slight extra effort, but the health impact is tremendous. Canned soups are infamous for their high sodium content, and salt intake is a primary factor in kidney damage. Crafting homemade soup with fresh, low-sodium ingredients not only enhances the flavor, but also empowers you to control your salt intake. For the dedicated carnivores among us, curbing meat consumption and integrating more plant-based proteins into your diet may come as quite a challenge. Nonetheless, it's a switch worth considering. Plant-based proteins are not only gentler on the kidneys, but also a more environmentally sustainable choice. A vast variety of plant-based proteins to choose from are at your disposal. Take, for example, lentils, which are high chickpeas that are great for weight management, tofu, a fantastic source of iron and calcium, and tempeh, rich in probiotics. They're tasty, versatile, and your kidneys will adore the diversity. Lastly, it's time to bid farewell to soda. As invigorating and fulfilling a chilled can of soda may seem, it's a disaster for your kidneys. Soda is brimming with questionable ingredients and additives, not to mention it's sugar-laden. But fear not, you aren't sentenced to a life of tasteless beverages. Swap it with water infused with slices of fresh fruits or vegetables. Get imaginative with mixtures like lemon and cucumber for a detoxifying effect, strawberry and mint for a burst of sweetness and freshness. This way, you enjoy a flavorful drink while ensuring your kidneys receive the hydration they need, minus the added sugar. The optimal hydration minus the sugar load will certainly win your kidneys' approval. As we conclude our list of the 7 potentially harmful foods for your kidneys, it's vital to remember that this doesn't mean you have to completely eliminate these from your diet. Instead, use this information as a guideline to make healthier food choices. The journey to better health and improved kidney function is a marathon, not a sprint. It starts with making conscious decisions about what you eat every day. Just a small change can make a world of difference. If you find this video insightful and beneficial, please show your support by hitting the like button. Your likes reaffirm that our efforts are making a positive impact, and they motivate us to continue providing you with such valuable content. We want to hear your thoughts about this topic. Do you have personal experiences with these foods? How have they affected your health? Sharing your thoughts and experiences in the comments section helps us understand your needs better and allows us to curate our future content in a more targeted way. We'd also like to invite you to browse through our vast collection of other videos. We cover a multitude of topics that range from health tips and home remedies to lifestyle hacks that could significantly enhance your well-being. Our mission is to equip you with the necessary knowledge to make informed health decisions, and we're passionate about helping you on your journey towards improved overall health. Before we end, remember this: your health is your wealth. Knowledge is power, and we're here to help you stay informed so you can make the best decisions for your well-being. Stay tuned for more informative videos and continue this journey to health with us. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.